Spring Profile allows us to control the configuration and bean definitions based on the environment. Spring Boot profiles are like outfits for your application. They let you dress it up differently for different occasions. You can consider occasions here as environments. We can use Spring Profiles to determine the configurations for the database, cloud, logging, email and payment gateway services, and much more. In this example, I will fetch the partitions and the replicas count based on the environment specific values. I have created a fake topic builder for this tutorial which will hold the partitions and the replicas count which will be fetched from the properties file based on the environment. I have created two application properties file. One is application dev properties and another one is application prod properties file. You can create more depending on your requirement. And as you can see, there is one default application properties file. This is a configuration class where fake topic builder bean will be created based on the profile which is currently active. We can define the required profile using this @profile annotation along with the value. This value should match with the value which we have given in the application properties file, that is after application-dev, and in this case it's prod, and this should be matching with application prod.properties. This is a controller class and it contains a single get mapping method. In this example, this will just return a value of a topic builder bean which we created based on the environment value. There are multiple ways to set the profile active. The first way is to go to the default application properties file and enter this command. Once we start the application, this will consider dev as a part of execution. And the second way to set the profile active is editing the configurations. Edit, click on modify options and enable add VM options. We need to just paste these values and change the values according to requirement. It can be either dev or prod. And the third way is through maven or a gradle command, which I will be doing in this tutorial. So this is the gradle command which I will be using today, as this is a gradle project, and this is the equivalent maven command. Let's first run the dev gradle command. Let's go to terminal, paste the value and click on enter. The application has started. As you can see, the partitions and the replicas count matches with the dev application properties file. Now let's test it with prod and validate the partition and replicas count. I will be doing the same gradle command step where I will be just replacing dev with prod. I executed the prod command. Now let's go to the browser and refresh the endpoint. As you can see, the partitions are 3 and replicas are 24 based on the application prod properties file. This is Spring Profile and you can achieve more than what I've shown here. Thank you for watching.